Hey guys, welcome back to
Aqua Friends.
and today we're going to be making a video on
Potato chips.
very yummy potato chips. So guys, the ingredients you're gonna be needing for that is potato, and oil. Yeah, only it's kind of like only the main ingredient you would be needing is potato. So, anyways, guys,
And salt.
yeah, and salt. So, guys, anyways, first, yeah, you're supposed to peel your potato. You can peel it the way you do. You usually do. We are peeling it with an peeler. And guys, just an information. These peelers are not only for peeling the skin. You can also use it for very thin, like
Cutting.
yeah, very thin cutting of onions and other vegetables like that, and also very thin cutting of carrots. So guys, the next step is to cut the potato as thin as possible. As it's going to be chips, you don't want it to become very fat. You have to cut as thin as possible. And also guys, you have to cut it as thin as possible, but not very thin that, like this. It doesn't get it kind of doesn't get properly cooked if you cut it very thin. You have to cut it as thin as possible, but little bit fat you have to cut. You're supposed to cut exactly like this. This is kind of hard step, guys. So take your time, be patient, and cut slowly. So guys, this is our first potato which has been cut. We are currently doing the second potato. It's actually only been half cut. This is that potato. This is another potato. We are going to be cutting 3 potatoes. So guys, we finished chopping our 3 potatoes, and here we have our chopped potatoes. So what you're supposed to do next is put your potatoes in a bubble filled with water and let them stay there for around 3 to 4 minutes. So guys, our potatoes have been soaked. Now just after your potatoes has been soaked for 3 to 4 minutes, take a cloth or an tissue and just keep your potato chips to dry on your cloth or tissue. We are using a cloth right now. So we are just going to be keeping these like this.
And this is the complete thing we've done.
So guys, we've kept all our potato chips on the cloth, and yeah, this is how it looks in the final. We are using a cloth, but you can also use tissues. But cloth, we would prefer cloth most because your potato chips your potatoes become soft in cloth, but you can also use tissue. It's not an issue.
See what you did there?
Yeah. So guys, if you have any potatoes which are very fat and not properly cuttable, just take them and chop them flat like this. Because the more thin it gets, the crunchier the chips are. So guys, if you wanted to stay like that, you can also let it stay like that.
But it wouldn't come crunchy, and in between it will come the raw potato flavor.
Yeah. So, anyways, guys, if you have a doubt on how much time we are supposed to leave it to dry, you're supposed to leave it to dry for 30 to 40 minutes. Or you can also leave it to dry until all the water has been absorbed by your tissue or clothes.
If you're using tissue, keep changing it because when the tissue absorbs more water than it can hold, it tears up.
Yeah. So guys, in a store, if you are thinking potato chips can't be flat in circle, flat in shape, then you can cut it and make it look like a chip. Because in stores they sell this kind of chips, right? So you can make it that flat shape, the straight shape chips also. But if you want it to stay circle, you can also let it stay circle. So guys, if you are taking this potato chips to some event or to some party and you wanted to get made early, little bit fast, then put a cloth on top of the chips also and just gently press it so it gets dried fast. So guys, our potatoes have been dried. If it's your first time doing a potato chips, you will know after the potato is dried, you will when you touch it, you will feel it will be kind of watery, but it's not watery, it's dried. The potato, after dipping it in the water and letting it dry, it has become nicely moist. So guys, once you felt that, once you think it's right, try touching it. If water is coming in your hands, it's not yet ready. But if water is not coming and it's still feels watery, it's moisture, it's moist and it's soft and ready to be cooked. So guys, just pour 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil into a pan. We are using a small pan and keep it on a medium to low flame. Now you just put a small potato and see if it's getting cooked. But guys, only try doing that after your pan has become hot. And can you see that the air is coming up? So ours is hot enough to cook our potatoes. It's ready. And now guys, we are going to cook it. Actually, so we have put our first potato. Now we are going to flip it and see if the other side's been ready. It's 1 minute, guys. Flipping is not that easy. And guys, it's kind of ready, but keep flipping it so that one side doesn't become
Brown.
Yes.
It should be golden brown and not black or brown.
Very brown. So, guys, we just want to tell you that if you're taking it to an event or party, as I said before, do not cook it on high flame, as the outer part will become cooked, but the inside part will stay as raw potato itself. Keep it in medium to low. If you want it to become very crunchy and you have a lot of time, keep it in low and let it cook slowly. If you are going to a party or an event, as I said before, keep it in medium and let it cook properly. But don't keep it in high flame, or else only the outside will become cooked and the inside won't be, it will be raw.
And also the potato will be brown, which you can't eat.
Yes. So guys, now you can add in how many ever potatoes you want. We are using a small vessel, so we're just going to be adding few of it. So guys, we just want to tell you, as we said before, if you cut it thin, it becomes crunchy. But if you cut it a bit fat, it becomes really chewy. and yeah, but it still tastes nice. But if you wanted to be very potato chips like, you should cut it very thin. As I said before, cutting takes a lot of patience. So guys, once you've fried all your potato chips, what you're supposed to do is after you have cooked them, place it in a tissue paper or cloth so that the oil is
Or
drained.
a polka dotted this kind of utensil so that the oil is drained.
Yes.
We would recommend these kind of oil trays because they drain oil more quickly than normal tissue paper or cloth does.
So guys, once you've kept that and your chips have been drained from the oil, what you're supposed to do is just put salt on top of it and it's ready to be served. But guys, you can also put the salt in your oil and let it be cooked with your potato chips. Both of them are equally nice technique, but we prefer putting the salt in the oil mostly. You guys can do it however you want. So guys, it won't be as crunchy as the store-bought ones, but it will be crunchy in the homemade way, and it will except for the fact that it's crunchy, it will taste really nice as potatoes taste very nice when they are fried. So guys, just a tip, if you want, just put 2 potatoes or so in a tissue or a cloth or whatever you're using and just rub them against each other so it gets less watery and it's moist too. Yeah, moist. So if you guys want, you can rub it like that. It becomes very dry and very ready to be cooked. Guys, just a quick tip. Before you cook, if you wanted to cook inside and outside and everywhere, I know you want to. Anyways, guys, it should cook really properly. So, for that, you can add holes in between, very small holes. Like you can insert a skewer inside the potatoes and make small pieces. And when we tried doing that, it turned out really nice. So I would recommend you guys to do. The hole is not seen that much, even though it kind of is. But guys, I really prefer putting holes so it gets cooked properly. If you're going to any party or festival or sharing this to some people, you don't need to cook hole because the hole is kind of seen. When you fry, it will be seen like this. So guys, you can see the hole. If you're going to some event and taking this with you, don't poke holes. So guys, the final step is once you've got the chips, keep it on a tissue, keep it on the same tissue, keep it on a new tissue, keep it on a cloth or whatever you're using. Keep it on that and let the oil get let the oil get absorbed from the cloth or from the potato chips to the cloth or the tissue. Just close it and press it nicely.
If you wanted to absorb the oil faster.
Yeah. So guys, the final step is to just sprinkle some salt on top to make it a bit salty, like usual potato chips are. Thank you for watching, guys.
Please like, share, and subscribe, and smash the bell button so that you don't miss our latest videos.
We hope you enjoyed this recipe and bye, guys.
And also, comment down below if this recipe was useful to you.
Bye, guys.